Sky Warriors.
Picture a fighter jet so advanced it can think faster than its pilot, command an army of drones, and eliminate threats with lasers at the speed of light. Meet the Tempest, the crown jewel of Europe's $100 billion future combat air system, FCAS. Built to dominate airspace and redefine military aviation, the Tempest is leaving superpowers like the US, China, and Russia scrambling to catch up. But what makes the Tempest so revolutionary? Is it the unmatched speed, the AI-powered brain, or the ability to wage cyber warfare in real time? The answer lies in how all these technologies come together to form the world's most advanced fighter jet. In this deep dive, we'll explore the groundbreaking features that make the Tempest a game-changer in modern warfare. Drone swarms. The Tempest is more than a jet. It's the commander of a sophisticated drone fleet that redefines how air combat is conducted. These drones, known as loyal wingmen, act as extensions of the jet, each performing specialized tasks. Imagine a scenario where drones scout ahead, pinpoint enemy positions, and even engage targets, all while the Tempest focuses on its primary mission. These drones are versatile and highly adaptive. Some are designed for reconnaissance, providing real-time intelligence on enemy movements and positions. Others serve as decoys, confusing enemy radar systems and drawing fire away from the main jet. And then there are the armed drones, capable of launching precision strikes independently or in coordination with the Tempest. What makes this swarm technology truly revolutionary is its autonomy. These drones don't just follow orders, they can think and act independently based on changing battlefield conditions. For example, if a drone detects an enemy threat, it can respond instantly, either engaging the target or relaying critical information back to the Tempest. This capability gives the Tempest an unparalleled advantage. While traditional fighter jets rely on human-piloted support aircraft, the Tempest operates as a self-sufficient force. Its drones act as force multipliers, enhancing its reach, firepower, and survivability. In large-scale battles, the Tempest and its drone fleet can overwhelm opponents by attacking from multiple angles simultaneously. This level of coordination is nearly impossible to counter, making the Tempest a dominant presence in the sky. As drone technology continues to evolve, the Tempest's swarm capabilities are setting a new benchmark for air combat. Smarter AI. At the core of the Tempest's capabilities is its AI system, a technological marvel that transforms the way fighter jets operate. Acting as a co-pilot, this AI processes vast amounts of data in real time, analyzing threats, predicting enemy movements, and optimizing every aspect of the mission. Unlike traditional jets where pilots must multitask under immense pressure, the Tempest's AI takes on the heavy lifting. It evaluates the battlefield, calculates optimal strategies, and provides recommendations to the pilot in split seconds. This allows the human pilot to focus on critical decisions without being overwhelmed by the complexities of combat. But the AI isn't just an assistant, it's a learner. During missions, it gathers data on enemy tactics, adapting and refining its strategies with each engagement. This learning ability ensures that the Tempest becomes smarter and more effective the longer it's deployed. While human pilots may tire or lose focus during extended missions, the AI remains sharp and relentless, ensuring peak performance at all times. One of the AI's standout features is its ability to manage the drone swarm. It coordinates the movements, roles, and actions of each drone, ensuring seamless collaboration between the Tempest and its autonomous partners. In the chaos of battle, this level of coordination can mean the difference between victory and defeat. In dogfights, the AI provides an unbeatable edge. It predicts enemy maneuvers, calculates counter strategies, and even controls the jet's weapon systems for precision strikes. This blend of human intuition and machine intelligence makes the Tempest a lethal force, capable of outmaneuvering and outthinking any adversary. Laser weapons. The Tempest takes a giant leap into the future of air combat with its direct energy weapons, high-powered lasers that operate at the speed of light. These lasers are a game-changer, offering precision, efficiency, and speed that traditional munitions simply cannot match. Imagine an enemy drone closing in on the Tempest. Before it can even get close, a laser beam neutralizes it in an instant, Unlike missiles or bullets, lasers don't rely on physical ammunition. As long as the Tempest has power, its lasers can keep firing, making them virtually limitless in combat scenarios. The precision of these lasers is unmatched. They can take out small, fast-moving targets like enemy drones or incoming missiles with pinpoint accuracy. On offense, they allow the Tempest to strike targets without warning, as the laser beams are invisible to the naked eye. This stealth capability adds an extra layer of surprise, leaving enemies scrambling to figure out what hit them. Defensively, the lasers act as an impenetrable shield. They can intercept multiple incoming threats simultaneously, ensuring the Tempest remains safe even in the most hostile environments. This combination of offense and defense makes the Tempest a formidable force, capable of controlling the battlefield with light-speed precision. Cyber warfare. In the modern era, air combat isn't just about physical weapons, it's also about digital dominance. The Tempest excels in cyber warfare, turning the electronic battlefield into a new front line. While flying, it can hack enemy systems, jam communications, and disable radar, effectively blinding its opponents. This capability gives the Tempest a massive advantage. Imagine it infiltrating enemy airspace undetected, disrupting operations, and neutralizing threats before they even know it's there. In addition to defensive tactics, the Tempest cyber tools can be used offensively. It can hack into enemy aircraft, disabling control systems, or causing them to crash, all without firing a single shot. The AI system ensures these cyber capabilities are executed seamlessly. While the pilot focuses on the physical battle, the AI handles digital warfare, launching attacks and deploying countermeasures in real time. This ability to multitask makes the Tempest an unparalleled force in modern air combat. As militaries become increasingly reliant on electronic systems, the Tempest's dominance in cyber warfare ensures its operators maintain control of the battlefield. In this new age of combat, information isn't just power, it's the ultimate weapon. Stealth and speed. The Tempest isn't just fast, it's hypersonic, traveling at speeds multiple times the sound barrier. This capability places it among the elite class of aircraft that can reach their targets faster than enemy defenses can react. But what truly makes the Tempest revolutionary is its combination of speed and stealth, an integration that elevates it beyond the reach of traditional fighter jets. Let's start with stealth. The Tempest is designed with cutting-edge materials and advanced geometric structures that absorb radar waves, making it nearly invisible to detection systems. Its sleek, angular design reduces its radar cross-section to a fraction of what traditional jets produce, enabling it to approach targets undetected. Even when radar manages to pick up faint signals, the Tempest's stealth capabilities can scramble these signals, leaving enemy operators confused or tracking a phantom object. The stealth technology goes beyond its physical shape. The Tempest is equipped with electronic countermeasures that actively disrupt enemy radar and tracking systems. These systems create false signals, making it appear as though the jet is in multiple locations at once or vanishing altogether. In some cases, it can hack into radar systems to turn them against their operators, ensuring that the Tempest remains a ghost in the sky. But stealth alone doesn't win battles. That's where the Tempest's hypersonic speed comes in. At these extreme velocities, the Tempest can close in on targets in a fraction of the time it takes for enemy defenses to react. Whether it's avoiding incoming missiles, outrunning enemy aircraft, or delivering precision strikes, its speed ensures it maintains the upper hand in every encounter. Unlike many hypersonic jets that sacrifice maneuverability for speed, the Tempest excels at both. It employs advanced flight control systems that allow it to perform sharp turns, climb steep altitudes, and execute evasive maneuvers even at supersonic and hypersonic speeds. This makes it a nightmare for enemies in dogfights, where quick reflexes and agility are paramount. In large-scale operations, this combination of stealth and speed proves invaluable. The Tempest can infiltrate heavily defended airspace, strike its targets with precision, and retreat before enemy forces even realize it was there. It can neutralize critical threats like enemy radar stations, missile systems, or strategic facilities, paving the way for Allied forces to move in with minimal resistance. Additionally, its stealth and speed enable it to conduct reconnaissance missions deep into enemy territory, gathering critical intelligence without being detected. This dual capability of offense and intelligence gathering makes the Tempest a versatile asset on any battlefield. The Tempest designers also focused on reducing its thermal signature to avoid detection by infrared sensors. The jet incorporates heat-dissipating materials and innovative exhaust designs that minimize the heat produced by its engines. Combined with its radar-evading capabilities, this makes the Tempest nearly invisible to the most advanced detection systems in the world. In modern warfare, the side that controls the skies often controls the battlefield. With its stealth and hypersonic capabilities, the Tempest ensures its operators maintain that control. It's not just about being fast or invisible, it's about being untouchable. Global collaboration. The Tempest isn't just a technological marvel, it's a testament to what can be achieved when nations unite toward a common goal. Unlike most fighter jets, which are often the product of a single country's innovation, the Tempest is the result of an unprecedented collaboration among the UK, Italy, Sweden, and Japan. This international partnership has pooled the best minds, resources, and expertise from across the globe to create a fighter jet that stands at the forefront of modern warfare. Each country involved in the Tempest project brings unique strengths to the table. The UK, leading the initiative, contributes its expertise in advanced AI systems, drone technology, and hypersonic propulsion. Italy offers its deep knowledge of stealth technology and materials engineering, ensuring that the Tempest remains invisible to enemy defenses. Sweden, known for its innovative designs in military aviation, provides insights into modular systems and adaptability. Meanwhile, Japan's involvement brings cutting-edge electronic warfare capabilities and unmatched advancements in cyber technologies. This pooling of expertise accelerates development as different teams work simultaneously on various aspects of the jet. While one group perfects the AI system, another refines the stealth technology, and yet another advances the direct energy weapons. The result is a jet that has come to life far faster than it would have if a single nation had tackled the project alone. The collaboration extends beyond technology. The Tempest project has fostered deeper military alliances among the participating nations, creating a network of mutual trust and shared goals. These alliances ensure that the Tempest remains a symbol of unity and cooperation in a world where competition often dominates the defense industry. What makes this collaboration truly remarkable is the shared vision of adaptability. The Tempest isn't just built for today's threats, it's designed to evolve. The modular nature of its systems means that new technologies can be integrated seamlessly as they emerge. Whether it's advancements in AI, new forms of energy weapons, or improved drone capabilities, the Tempest can adapt to remain at the cutting edge. This flexibility also allows for customization based on the needs of each participating nation. For example, one country might prioritize electronic warfare capabilities, while another focuses on hypersonic speed or drone swarming technology. The Tempest design accommodates these variations, making it a versatile platform for different military strategies. Collaboration also reduces costs significantly. By sharing the financial burden, the participating countries can invest more in research and development, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This approach ensures that the Tempest remains a cost-effective solution without compromising on its advanced features. Beyond the immediate benefits, the Tempest project has long-term implications for global defense. The partnerships formed during its development will likely lead to further collaborations on future military technologies. These nations are building more than a fighter jet. They're building a framework for innovation that will influence the defense industry for decades to come. The Tempest represents a rare achievement in international cooperation. It proves that when nations set aside their differences and work together, they can create something truly extraordinary. As it takes to the skies, the Tempest isn't just flying on the wings of technology, it's soaring on the collective ambition of its creators. The future of air combat. The Tempest isn't just a fighter jet, it's a blueprint for the future of warfare. With its modular design, it can be upgraded as technology evolves, ensuring it remains at the cutting edge for decades. Its unique combination of AI, drones, lasers, and stealth makes it a force to be reckoned with in any scenario. As warfare grows more complex, the Tempest's adaptability ensures it remains a critical asset for maintaining air superiority. It's not just about dominating today's skies, It's about shaping the battles of tomorrow. The Tempest fighter jet is rewriting the rules of air combat. Want to learn more about the future of warfare? Check out our video on hypersonic jets and stealth bombers shaping tomorrow's skies. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more cutting-edge innovations.